Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're gonna do an unboxing today. I just received my helmet. Let's open this up, see what we got. So we got a clear shield, HJC. We got our owner's manual, HJC. Alright, keep on digging. Package pretty nice, pretty protected. Alright, so here it is, HJC cover. Let's open it up, see what we got, see how it looks. There it is. Profile looks pretty nice. Flip-up visor. Looks pretty good. Quality built. I mean, you can't really see where they added on to the regular existing HJC helmet. So they took some time. And then from the front, it looks sick. Well, I can't wait to go throw it on and go ride with it. Here's the back. And here's all the padding in the inside. And then the quick disconnect. So that's pretty nice. Alright guys, here it is. Punisher helmet from Red. So about 18 days it took from the time I placed the order, from them making it. They said 5 to 7 days to make it, and then 9 to 14 days to ship. So I got my shipping information on the 28th of March, and then today's the 7th, so little under 2 weeks to ship to get to me. It's an HJC helmet, an existing DOT helmet, and they just kind of added this front Punisher look to it, just like they do with the Predator, the Alien, and the Skull. Overall, I'm pretty excited about it. See how it fits. Perfect fit. Alright guys, that wraps up the video for today. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in below. Let me know what you think of the new Punisher helmet that I got. I really like it. So, we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.